stop scrolling. Because these Amazon car deals are actually insane right now. We're talking massive discounts on must-have automotive gear that can literally save you money, time, and stress on the road. And stick around till the end, because there's a big surprise giveaway you don't want to miss. You know that moment when your tire pressure warning suddenly pops up right before you're about to leave? That's exactly where the Wolfbox Portable Air Compressor becomes a lifesaver. This compact device lets you inflate your tires anywhere, no gas station. No waiting, no hassle, perfect for emergencies, road trips, or even daily use. Right now, it's originally around $99, but it's currently discounted by about 40%, bringing it down to roughly $59.99 current price at the time of recording. That's a huge saving for something that can prevent costly tire damage. Grab it through the link in the description. Deal won't stay long. Product 2IH HE handheld. Be honest, car interiors get dirty fast. Crumbs, dust, pet hair, it builds up before you even notice. The IHE Handheld Car Vacuum is designed to fix that instantly. It's lightweight, powerful, and reaches into tight spaces your regular vacuum can't. Originally priced around $49, it's now about 30% off, dropping to roughly $34.99 current price at the time of recording. That's a small price for a clean, fresh car every day. Link is in the description. Don't miss it. Product 3, Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator. Now imagine being stuck with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere. The Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator is one of Amazon's most trusted solutions. It's fast, reliable, and plugs right into your car, making it perfect for emergencies. Originally around $39.99, now discounted about 25%, bringing it close to $29.99. Current price at the time of recording. A must-have backup tool for every driver. Check the link below before the price jumps back up. Product 4, Stand Tall Electric Car Jack Kit. Changing a tire manually? That's outdated and honestly exhausting. The Stand Tall Electric Car Jack Kit does all the heavy lifting for you. With just a button, your car lifts automatically. No struggle, no risk. Originally priced near $129.99, it's currently about 35% off, dropping to around $84.99. Current price at the time of recording. This is one of those tools you don't think about until you desperately need it. Links in the description. Highly recommend grabbing it now. If you love finding smart deals that actually make life easier, hit like or drop a comment. It helps you discover more products like these and honestly saves you money long term. There is product 5, A-Line Tri-Ball Trailer Hitch. You tow anything, trailers, bikes, or even small equipment. You know how annoying compatibility can be. The A-Line Tri-Ball Trailer Hitch solves that instantly. 3 sizes in one. No swapping, no hassle. Originally about $79.99, now roughly 30% off, bringing it down to around $55.99. Product 6, Carcara's Microfiber Towels. Pack scratches from cheap towels? Yeah, that hurts. The Carcara's Microfiber Towels are ultra soft, lint-free, and safe for your paint. Perfect for detailing, polishing, or even interior cleaning. Originally around $19.99, now about 25% off, making it roughly $14.99 current. Price at the time of recording. Small investment, big difference in how your car looks. Link below. Asterisk. Product 7, Giant Panda Custom Car Seat Covers. Your seats take a beating. Spills, dirt, daily wear. The Giant Panda Custom Seat Covers instantly upgrade your interior while protecting you. They look premium, feel comfortable, and fit like they're factory made. Originally about $69.99, now around 30% off, bringing it to roughly $48.99. $1,000,000.99. Current price at the time of recording. Style plus protection equals no brainer. Check the link in the description. Product 8. Pinktrot steering wheel cover. Ever notice how uncomfortable your steering wheel gets in extreme weather? The Pinktrot anti-slip steering wheel cover fixes grip, comfort, and control all at once. Better handling, less hand fatigue, more confidence while driving. Originally around $19.99, now about 40% off, dropping to roughly $11.99 current. 9. Orthrus Motocross. Helmet safety is not optional. The Orthrus Motocross helmet is built for protection, comfort, and durability, whether you're riding off-road or just need reliable gear. Originally about $89.99, now around 30% off, bringing it close to $62.99 current price at the time of recording. Product 10. Edenwolf Digital Tire Pressure Gauge Giveaway. Alright, here's that surprise I mentioned at the start. The Edenwolf Digital Tire Pressure that directly impacts fuel efficiency and safety. Originally around $29.99, now about 35% off, making it roughly $19.49. But here's the twist. We're giving this one away for free. All you have to do is comment your car model down below. At the end of the month, one lucky winner gets it. If you want daily updates on the best Amazon deals, products that actually make your life easier and save you money, make sure you subscribe. These deals are limited time, and prices can go back up anytime. All product links are in the description. Grab them before they're gone, and I'll see you in the next one.